parler.
To speak. In this video, we will learn the verb to speak in the present tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel. Learn French with Di.Vi. The French verb
Parler.
is another important verb that you have to learn in French. The meaning of
Parler.
is to speak. It is a regular verb. This is because, in its infinitive form, the verb's endings in the present tense follow the same pattern as the verbs in the ER group. Let's see how to conjugate it in the present tense. I speak.
Je parle.
You speak.
Tu parles.
He speaks.
Il parle.
She speaks.
Elle parle.
We speak, or one speaks.
On parle.
We speak.
Nous parlons.
You speak.
Vous parlez.
They speak.
Il parle.
They speak.
Elle parle.
Please remember, ENT is always silent. Great. Let's see how to use this in simple sentences.
To understand the pronunciation, first out trainer, Eva, will speak slowly, and then in the actual speed.
I speak English.
Je parle anglais. Je parle anglais.
You speak good French.
Tu parles bien le français. Tu parles bien le français.
He speaks Spanish.
Il parle espagnol. Il parle espagnol.
She speaks German.
Elle parle allemand. Elle parle allemand.
We speak Italian.
Nous parlons italien. Nous parlons italien.
You speak Chinese.
Vous parlez chinois. Vous parlez chinois.
They speak Japanese.
Il parle japonais. Il parle japonais.
They speak Russian.
Elle parle russe. Elle parle russe.
Great. Have you noticed, knowingly or unknowingly, you have also learned how different languages are pronounced in French. Now, you know how to say English, French, German, Italian, Chinese, Japanese, and Russian in French. These were very basic and simple sentences, but we can have some complex examples like, I am speaking with my friend.
Je parle avec mon ami. Je parle avec mon ami.
He speaks too loudly.
Il parle trop fort. Il parle trop fort.
We are talking about our vacation.
Nous parlons de nos vacances. Nous parlons de nos vacances.
They are talking about politics.
Il parle de politique. Il parle de politique.
Let's repeat one more time. I speak.
Je parle.
You speak.
Tu parles.
He speaks.
Il parle.
She speaks.
Elle parle.
We speak, or one speaks.
On parle.
We speak.
Nous parlons.
You speak.
Vous parlez.
They speak.
Il parle.
They speak.
Elle parle.
Let's summarize the conjugation of the verb to speak in tabular format. That's all for today. See you in next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.